Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a gift card on Instacart. It is really easy and you can use the gift card balance to pay for groceries in just a few steps. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with that account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the profile icon or menu given at the top right corner. Within it, you will see different options. Please make sure to look within the savings section where you can find credits, promos and gift cards. Tap on it. Now you will be redirected to a new screen. From here, you can see your credit points if available, and if not, you can just tap on the add button to add the gift codes. Now a new screen opens called add funds. Within it, you will see a field where you can enter the promo or gift card code. Please make sure to carefully enter the gift card code and double check the code to make sure that there is no mistakes. After entering the code, you can just simply tap the done button within the keyboard or just tap redeem, and if the code is valid, the gift card balance will instantly be added to your Instacart account. You can now see your gift card balance in the payments or credit section, and it will automatically be applied when you check out for your next order. And that's it. You have successfully added a gift card to Instacart and can start using it for the grocery shopping right away. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.